Are you ready to make 2025 your most financially successful year yet? In this video, I'm going to break down the top 10 smartest financial investments you can make in 2025. These aren't just trends. These are strategic moves backed by expert insights designed to grow your wealth. Stay with me until the end because these tips could be the key to transforming your financial future. 1. AI and tech-driven startups. Artificial intelligence isn't just the future, it's the present. Investing in tech-driven startups, particularly those leveraging AI, could yield massive returns. Whether through venture capital, equity crowdfunding, or directly purchasing shares of innovative companies, this sector is poised for exponential growth in 2025. 2. Renewable energy and clean tech. Green energy is no longer just a trend, it's a necessity. Solar, wind, and battery technology companies are at the forefront of this revolution. With governments worldwide pushing for cleaner energy, these investments have strong tailwinds. Look for ETFs or individual stocks in this sector. 3. Real estate in emerging markets. While traditional real estate can be lucrative, emerging markets offer higher growth potential in 2025. Look for regions with booming infrastructure projects or rising urbanization rates. If you're not ready to buy property outright, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts, that focus on these markets. 4. Index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs remain a solid choice for both beginners and experienced investors. They offer diversification, low fees, and exposure to the entire market. In 2025, focus on sectors expected to thrive, like technology, healthcare, and green energy. 5. Cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. Love it or hate it, cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, look at blockchain projects solving real-world problems. Stablecoins and utility tokens might also be worth exploring, but always invest with caution and diversify your crypto portfolio. 6. Health and wellness industry. Post-pandemic, the health and wellness industry continues to grow. From telemedicine and biotech companies to fitness apps and mental health platforms, there are numerous opportunities to invest in this booming sector. 7. Precious metals. Gold and silver have stood the test of time as hedges against inflation and economic uncertainty. With the global economy still adapting to post-pandemic shifts, adding a percentage of your portfolio to precious metals can provide stability. 8. Education and online learning platforms. The demand for skills training and education is higher than ever. Platforms offering courses in coding, AI, data science, and entrepreneurship are thriving. You can invest in publicly traded companies in this space or even create your own digital course for passive income. 9. Dividend-paying stocks. 2025 is the year to focus on building consistent income streams. Dividend-paying stocks not only offer capital appreciation but also provide regular cash flow. Look for companies with a solid track record of increasing their dividends. 10. Personal development and skill building. This might surprise you, but the best investment you can make is in yourself. In 2025, focus on acquiring high-income skills like coding, sales, or financial literacy. These skills have a compounding effect, increasing your earning potential and opening new doors. There you have it, the top 10 smartest financial investments for 2025. From cutting-edge tech to timeless strategies like personal development, these tips are your roadmap to growing wealth. But remember, every investment carries some level of risk, so do your research, diversify, and consult a financial advisor if needed. Now, I want to know, which of these investments excites you the most? Comment below and tell me your plans for 2025. And if you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more expert financial advice, and share this with someone who's ready to grow their wealth. Let's make 2025 the year we take control of our financial futures, together. Expanding your income streams is one of the smartest moves you can make to build financial security and achieve your goals faster. The key is to focus on both active and passive income sources, diversifying your efforts to create multiple streams that support each other. Start by leveraging the skills you already have. Think about freelancing, consulting, or offering services in your area of expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn can connect you with clients looking for your skill set. If you're employed, don't overlook opportunities to negotiate a raise or take on additional responsibilities for extra pay. Next, consider creating a side hustle. This could be selling products online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay, or even starting a dropshipping business. The beauty of side hustles is that they allow you to explore new areas of interest while earning extra income. Look for niches where you can offer something unique or meet an underserved demand. Investing is another powerful way to grow your income. Dividend-paying stocks, REITs, real estate investment trusts, or peer-to-peer lending platforms can provide steady cash flow. These require upfront capital, but can become valuable sources of passive income over time. Cryptocurrencies and digital assets are also worth exploring, but make sure to educate yourself thoroughly to mitigate risks. For a more hands-off approach, consider creating digital products. Ebooks, online courses, or templates can be created once and sold repeatedly, generating income with minimal ongoing effort. If you have expertise in a specific area, packaging your knowledge into a product can be incredibly lucrative. Real estate remains a timeless method of income generation. Whether through renting out properties, house hacking, living in one unit of a multi-unit property while renting the others, or even short-term rentals like Airbnb, real estate offers both immediate income and long-term asset appreciation. Affiliate marketing and content creation are great options in today's digital age. If you have a platform like a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can earn commissions by promoting products or services that align with your audience's interests. Partnerships with brands or sponsored content can further boost your income. Don't forget about licensing and royalties. If you're creative, consider licensing your artwork, music, or even photography for use by others. This can generate a consistent stream of royalties over time. Finally, explore opportunities to build businesses with scalable models. E-commerce, subscription services, or tech startups have the potential to grow exponentially. While these require effort and resources upfront, the payoff can be substantial if executed well. Remember, the secret to multiplying your income streams is consistency and focus. Start with one or two that align with your skills and interests, then expand over time. Each new stream adds a layer of financial security and brings you closer to achieving financial freedom. Focusing on growing your wealth this year requires not only strategic action, but also a disciplined mindset. To maximize your financial growth, start by setting clear and ambitious goals. Define exactly what you want to achieve. How much wealth do you want to build? What assets do you want to acquire? And how will this growth support your family and future legacy? When your vision is sharp, your actions naturally align with your ambitions. One of the most powerful tools for wealth growth is consistency. Build habits that support financial prosperity, like tracking your income and expenses, saving a fixed percentage of your earnings, and regularly reviewing your investment portfolio. These small, consistent actions compound over time and create a strong foundation for wealth. Investing in knowledge is equally important. Commit to lifelong learning, whether it's through books, courses, or mentorship. The more you understand about financial markets, business strategies, and personal development, the better equipped you are to make decisions that accelerate your growth. Share this knowledge with your family. It's the key to creating a legacy that endures for generations. Diversify your sources of income and investments to protect against risks and maximize growth opportunities. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and even countries. A diversified portfolio reduces volatility and ensures you're prepared for market shifts. Teach your family the principles of financial independence. Show them how to budget, invest, and recognize opportunities. When everyone in your household is aligned with the vision of prosperity, you create a unified force working toward a common goal. This not only amplifies results, but also establishes a culture of abundance that can be passed down. Building a legacy requires more than just financial success. It's about creating a positive impact. As you grow, look for ways to uplift others, whether it's mentoring family members, supporting community projects, or starting initiatives that reflect your values. When you invest in others, you expand your influence and create a ripple effect of abundance. Lastly, protect what you build. Ensure that your wealth is safeguarded through proper estate planning, insurance, and legal structures. This is crucial to preserving your assets and ensuring your family benefits from them for years to come. It's not just about what you leave behind. It's about empowering your family to carry the torch and continue growing the legacy. By combining focus, discipline, and generosity, you position yourself to prosper beyond your expectations. Make this year the turning point where your actions set the stage for a lifetime of abundance, not just for you, but for generations to come. Remember, true legacy isn't just about wealth. It's about the wisdom, values, and opportunities you leave behind. Dear God, we come before you with hearts full of gratitude and faith. We ask for your guidance and blessings as we work towards building a prosperous and abundant life for our family. Grant us wisdom to make the right decisions, strength to overcome challenges, and a generous heart to share our success with others. Protect us, Lord, from harm and negativity, and surround our journey with your light and favor. May this year be filled with opportunities, growth, and the fulfillment of your purpose for us. In your name, we trust and pray. Amen. If this message inspired you and you're ready to take charge of your financial future, now is the time to act. Start today. Take that first step toward building the life and legacy you deserve. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And leave a comment below sharing the action you're taking to create abundance and prosperity this year. Let's make 2025 the year you transform your financial destiny, together.